The Ruida 6442S control panel by Cloudray is an excellent choice for those needing a reliable replacement for their CO2 laser engraver and cutting machine's control panel. Featuring a vibrant 3.5 inches colorful display screen, this control panel supports multiple languages, enhancing user experience across different regions. The compact design with dimensions of 6.7 by 4.9 inches makes it easy to integrate into existing setups without taking up unnecessary space. Weighing only 15.9 ounces, the panel is lightweight and convenient to handle during installation or replacement processes. A standout feature is the ability to address display issues by replugging the display line, ensuring the panel remains functional without needing a full replacement. Cloudray's dedication to user convenience is evident in their provision of a singular panel purchase option, eliminating the need to buy a complete controller set when only the panel is required